Lesson 4B. Introducing loops and conditionals. Conditional or if statement. Before going to the next exercise, let us learn something new. You can see there is a condition and a result achieved by following that condition. This is called a conditional or if statement. If you eat vegetables, you will become healthy. Here, condition is eating vegetables. Result is becoming healthy. Now let us look at an exercise using if block. Instruct Joey to collect and drop shapes into the bin if the color is red using if block. Look, there are 8 glass boxes containing different shapes and in different colors. Using the if block, Joey has to pick only the red colored shapes and drop them into the bin. The other colored shapes should be ignored. Let us see how this can be done. Instructions to Joey using if block. Click on Open Code Editor and place the Start block in the script area. Drag and drop the Walk block below Start so Joey walks near the first shape. Now Joey has to check if the given shape is red in color. Place if block from Controls category below Walk. Now to check the condition, if color of the shape is equal to red, drag and drop equal to block from Operators category into the if block. In our case, if color of shape is equal to red, Joey will collect and drop the shape into bin. But if color of shape is not equal to red, Joey moves to the next shape. Place color of shape block from Looks category before equal to and red block from Data category after equal to. Now inside the if block, place the collect shape and drop shape in bin blocks. Drag and drop a stop block below if block. Shall we execute and see what Joey does? Kids, can you see? Joey walks to the first shape and checks if it is red in color. As the color is red, Joey collects and drops the shape into the bin. But wait, what about the next 7 shapes? Joey must walk to each of the other shapes one by one and check if the color of the shape is red. So you have to do the same task of placing walk and if blocks 7 times. Finally, place the stop block at the bottom and click on execute.